Hi guys, Lacey over here at Bobby Combs RV in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. Just wanted to let you know we have a great selection of used inventory right now. Just got this guy in. This is a 2023 Puma 27-foot travel trailer. Features are amazing on this, so let's go inside and check it out. So it's got a large shower with a bench, plenty of storage for all of the necessities, and also legroom for when you need important business to finish. Lots of comfy seating here, big entertainment area with a fireplace, tons of counter space. We've got a farmhouse stainless steel sink, 12-volt fridge. This is also pretty cool. You can fit 60 more cans in this fridge. That's amazing. For the bedroom, there is washer dryer prep in this closet here. Wardrobe, huge storage. There's a slide out in here, so it's got a full walk around queen. You got a second access door, dressers. And last but not least, tons of windows here on the slide out, so you can enjoy your morning coffee looking out at the beautiful adventure, because life's an adventure, and enjoy the ride. Come see us today at Bobby Combs RV.